Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera pro mode works on the Samsung Galaxy A05S. First open the More modes and then click Pro mode. Right now we can find here a lot of parameters. Let's start from the left side. Let's start from put them to the default state by tapping on this arrow, and here we've got the ISO level that we can adjust manually by moving this slider, and also automatically by tapping here. Next, you've got the shutter speed. Right here we can find exposure compensation. Right here we can set the range, focus of the range manually. So with this green highlight, that's the arena when your phone is actually focusing. Right here we've got the white balance. That's the manual. And right now you've got other parameters like saturation, contrast, highlights, shadows, and tint. When you go to the upper bar, you can find the matrix metering. Here we can change the aspect ratio. And also we've got shutter delay and flashlight. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.